Hi there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm diving into something I absolutely love, setting up my digital planner for 2025. I'll start fresh with the new planner, create a vision board, and set my goals for the year. Plus, I'll show you how I organize my daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, and share tips on how I use tabs to make planning easier and more effective. The first thing I do is create a new planner file. I like to name it something simple like Planner 2025. Next, I pick a cover, and there are so many gorgeous options to choose from. The developers even included designs that go all the way up to 2030. You'll find a link to download the digital planner in the description below this video. Now let's take a look at the tabs in the planner. There are 7 main tabs by default: Plan, Day, Week, Month, Year, Book, Notes, and Add. You can also add new tabs if needed, using templates that match your style. If you want to rename a tab, just hold it until the rename keyboard pops up. To permanently delete it, hold it again until a little X appears in the corner. Easy and hassle-free. When it comes to goal setting, I use the Motivational Plan tab as my vision board. It's where I map out my goals and dreams for the year. This step is so important to me because it helps me visualize what I want to achieve and stay inspired throughout the year. I usually start with some rough notes and ideas, then refine them over time by adding stickers, images, or anything that motivates me. Now let me share how I approach setting goals for the year. My vision board, or motivational plan, call it what you like. It does work hand in hand with my yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily plans. This combination keeps me focused and ensures I'm moving in the right direction. On my motivational plan page, the goals are already divided into categories: work, family, hobby, health, self-education, and networking. I try not to overwhelm myself, so I select 1 to 3 key goals in each category. This helps me stay focused on what's important and makes the process more manageable. Next, I move on to my yearly plan. In this phase, I assign 1 key task to each month, aligning with the goals outlined in my motivational plan. This strategy transforms my goals into a clear and actionable roadmap for the year, making them more realistic and attainable. From there, I develop my monthly plan. This is where I break down my yearly goals into daily tasks, ensuring I stay consistent and make steady progress. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay on top of my priorities. The next step is my weekly planner. I use this to map out tasks by the hour for each day of the week. This helps me see how packed my schedule is and find time for new projects or some much needed rest. It's all about staying flexible and efficient. And finally, there's the daily plan, the heart of my planner. This is where I spend most of my time, breaking monthly goals into specific actionable tasks. Daily planning allows me to break down my monthly priorities into specific tasks that, step by step, bring me closer to achieving my annual goals. This is the foundation of my productivity every day. One habit that has truly boosted my productivity is daily journaling, or reflection at the end of each day. It's my chance to reflect on what happened, analyze my thoughts and actions, and understand the reasons behind them. Through this self-dialogue, I jot down insights, achievements, and areas I'd like to improve. It's a classic approach: what worked, what didn't, and how I can do better tomorrow. This simple practice has been a game changer for my personal growth and helps me stay motivated every day. Another amazing feature of my digital planner is the ability to create ready-made templates for different aspects of life. For example, I have set up a grocery list template for my supermarket run tomorrow. The app also offers templates for students, teachers, business professionals, wellness tracking, event planning, travel, and even meal prep. These templates make planning easier, more versatile, and perfectly tailored to your needs. Here's what my yearly planner looks like. I've customized it with all the tools I need to stay organized and motivated. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future content about digital planning. I'd love to see how you've set up your planner for the year. Share your tips and ideas in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.